Hi everyone, I'm Virat. I'm starting a new channel. I've been buying a lot of stuff because I'm self-quarantined just like everybody else, and I've been buying a lot of stuff. This is one of the first products I bought. Just got it today. I've been using it since this morning. When I opened it, I made a video, figured might as well post and help other people make an informed decision. Like, subscribe, and share if you like the video, and try out the product if you like it. I'm not getting paid to make these videos. I'm just buying stuff I want and making videos. I'm unboxing the Vipex active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones that I just bought off of Amazon. Let's see what the box looks like. I just wiped it down with some 70% alcohol. It says active noise cancelling wireless stereo headphones. Not much information on there. The box had just this bag in there. Comes in a nice case. Nice and soft, but sturdy. Alright, let's see. Let's look at the manual, user guide. You have a bunch of buttons. I've found that the active noise cancelling in these off-brand companies is not so good typically, but this one had particularly good reviews on Amazon, so I decided to take a chance. It comes with a micro USB cable and a auxiliary cable. So these are the headphones. Let's take them out and try them on. As you can see, there's some twisting mechanism here to fit your ears perfectly. That's great. Great to see. Buttons wise, you have the rocker for the slide button for the active noise cancellation, the auxiliary port, the power button, and the volume rocker, the micro USB port to charge. Let's turn on and connect. It says power on, waiting to pair. Let's turn on Bluetooth here on my iPad. Vipex. So it's connected. That's good. I'm gonna put them on and see how they feel without the noise cancellation on, and then with the noise cancellation on. This is without the noise cancellation on. I can pretty much hear myself talk. It's still got pretty good nice noise isolation. Let me turn on the oh wow, I just can't turn on the noise cancellation, the active noise cancellation, and it's actually really good. Wow. Yeah, definitely impressed. All the noise, the road noise, the outside noise that I was hearing is gone. Let's have a listen to some music on here. Let's go on YouTube. It's gonna not show anything on YouTube so that I don't get copyright infringement. Listening to Justin Bieber's Intentions. What noise quality, sound quality is amazing actually so far. It's pretty loud.